Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over our learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to examine mathematical and other problems from a step-by-step perspective, allowing yourself to focus on making the next correct step even if you do not know how the result will look. How are we learning it? Through the Go with the Flow assignment. When can we use this? To look at all situations as an opportunity to methodically work through the problems by focusing one step at a time. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Go with the Flow assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We'll begin by going over our learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. After that, I'll give you time to complete your Go with the Flow assignment on Desmos. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is to complete any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's talk now about how to sign in to Desmos to complete your work. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on the link to go to the assignment, and it should take you to a page that looks kind of like this. And right here where it says sign in with Google, we're going to click there. It's going to pop up with our email accounts. You're going to click on your school email account, and it should already have you logged in because you should have already been logged in using Google Classroom. From there, I'm just going to click Start the Activity, and it will take me into the assignment and allow me to begin. So that's how you will log into Desmos using Google. Let's talk now about how to complete the Go with the Flow assignment. So if you go to the Google form, at the top you should have your learning goals and success criteria. We're going to go ahead and scroll down, and below that there's a link that takes you to the Desmos assignment. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. We're going to go ahead and click Start the Activity. We have our learning goals here, and we're going to go ahead and click Next, and it gives me this screen that looks like this, and our job is to connect the red points to each other, the green points to each other, the blue, the purple, and the orange. So first of all, let's go ahead and use the connection tools, so this tool here, and let's make sure we got the right color. And we can start anywhere we want. The key is to start in the place that makes the most sense. Looking at it right now, I think the red makes the most sense to start at because I think it's probably going to stay along the edge. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to change the color to red. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect the dots. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line from here to here, just like this. And then from here to here, like that. Notice they can't cross each other. So I have a point there. So there we go. Now the next one, I think the green probably goes next to it. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll change it to green. I'm going to go ahead and do like this. Okay. Now I think the blue might go next to it. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. So I'm going to connect the blues. Just like this. Then purple looks like it'll probably go here and then orange there. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll do purple here, just like this, and then we'll do orange last. And orange goes just like this. And notice now, every box is covered, which is the goal. Every box is covered, none of them cross each other, and all of the points have been connected. So that's what you'll do for this assignment. And as they get more difficult, the key is just keep making the next right move. So you may not know how the whole thing's going to look, just like right now. I have no idea how this is going to look at the end, but I'm going to keep trying to make the next right move. So maybe I think the first right move might be green going this way, or maybe blue coming around and going here. And you may not always know what the correct answer is. That's okay. Just keep trying different things until you get there. So my guess is blue goes here, orange wraps around in here, green stays there, and then the red comes like this. I don't know whether that's true or not, but we can try each thing. So we'll try the blue, and if the blue doesn't work, so let's try blue going like this. And then we can try red going like this. And then we can try orange going this way. And maybe I'm not doing it correctly. We'll have to see. So you do the best you can. Remember, our goal is to cover every box, connect the dots, and not cross each other. So you'll do that for each of the slides on here. And when you're done, you'll go back to your Google form and click Next. And that will take you to your Before You Go. Go ahead and fill out your Before You Go and then submit your work on Google Classroom.